Ramhlun te kan ni a voina hianin exhibition kan nei a kan en kwal don ani hei hi kg te an ni o tuna zona kan zo tang. What is this? Creeper. And what is this?
Climber.
What is this?
Creep.
And what is this?
Trees.
Helaya hianin nursery te. Oh, nursery hi kan zot ve ang. What is this? Tell me.
This is big.
What is this?
This is long. This is short.
Toya, what is this?
This is not this place.
Thank you, Intiam lutuk.
Helama hian Maths Department lampang kan oma. Okay, what is your name? What is your name?
My name is Magnetism.
Okay. Can you explain all this?
This is a cone. This is a ball. This is a cuboid. This is a cube. This is a cylinder. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. Prism. This is a triangle. Pyramid.
Thank you, Vanel Chasanga. And now here we have Esther. What do you have here?
Addition.
Okay, can you show me?
Yes. What is 6 plus 2?
Thank you. Okay, what do you have here? Andre and Armal Somzwala.
We have an even and odd machine.
How does it work?
It works by pressing it in, the lights will come like this.
Should I press the odd number?
Yes.
Okay. That's very interesting. Okay, now here we have Mercy and Esther and Gerashat Pui. Can you explain what is this?
This is a square box, and square means multiplying the same number by itself. So 2 are 4, and 3 are 9, and 4 are 16. 5 are 25. 6 are 36. 7 are 49. 8 are 64, and 9 are 81.
Thank you. Okay, Esther Malsomlui, what do you have here?
We have the different types of angles here. There are different types of angles. 0 to 90 degrees acute angle. If you put and we have right angles. Right angle is just 90 degree. It can include also L, and there is obtuse angles. Obtuse angles is 90 degree to 180 degree, and there is a straight angles. A straight angle is just 180 degree, just like a straight line. We have reflex angle. Reflex angles is 180 to 360 degree. You can put anywhere, but it cannot go above 360. We have complete angle. Complete angle is just 360 degree, a circle. It is called complete angle. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you very much, Esther. And here we have Maths Park. Maths Park, very interesting. Can you explain this for me? Jade.
Which one?
Anything.
This one is type of angles. This one is equilateral triangle, right angle triangle. There's a little square, like it looks like square, and this one is obtuse angle triangle, scalene triangle, and isosceles triangle.
Thank you. Evelyn?
This is type of angles, and this is straight angles, and this is acute angles, and this is right angles, and this is obtuse angles.
We have different types of math stuff, like shapes.
And if you don't understand this, it can explain it for you if you pull this out.
Okay, this is very interesting. Okay, here we have Shape City. Shape City. Can you explain?
Yes, this is a square. A square is a flat shape and has two dimensions and geometric shape. It is a geometric shape and it has exactly 4 equal sides. And this is a cone. A cone is a 3D shape which has circular base that tapers at the top, and it has surface and no straight edges.
Shatpui.
This is a triangle, a polygon with 3 sides, 3 vertices, and 3 angles. This is a water funnel. There is no standard geometric shape called a funnel in basic mathematics. In diagrams, a funnel usually refers to a shape that is wide at one end and gradually narrows towards the other end. This is a star polygon. A shape with pointed arms radiating from a center. A common example is a 5-pointed star.
Okay, now Vanalwati.
This is a pyramid, a 3D shape with a flat polygon base and triangular that meet at a point on top. And this is a cylinder, a shape with 2 identical flat circular ends connected by a curved surface, and it has 3 sides.
Vilal Nunpui.
This is a rectangle. A rectangle is a shape with 4 straight sides and 4 right angles that are each 90 degrees, and its opposite sides are equal and parallel. This is a pentagon. A pentagon is a shape with 5 straight sides and 5 corners, and a regular pentagon has equal sides with each angle measuring 108 degrees.
Thank you, Nunpui. Hey, kan student na an milem zia moi tak tak ania. Hey, class 6 student ina zia nia. Kwang choi nu thuam ti ni. Chuan hey hi loisi ma som zeli class 6 mi thawina a draw ni. An talented mani kan naute he in lem te hi an siama. Hey, Grace Tanzami class 5. Chuan hey Dorothy class 5. Hemi hi moi boka age rem moi class 7 ina a draw nia pirate ship ni om takani. Chuan hey hi Arlel Ming moi a class 5 ami draw ni a. Ti chuan he ta hian lerin eng a khiang te class 5 ami na a draw ni bokani. Here we have Social Studies Department to explain the layers of the atmosphere. Silal Dusaki.
First of all, troposphere. This is the lowest layers of the atmosphere, where weather phenomena like sunshine, rain, snow, etc., and other essentials are placed. Astrosphere. It contains ozone layers which protects us from harmful ultratropics radiations from the sun. The air is very dry and stable, so airplanes and jet planes flies here. Memosphere. This is the coldest layers of the atmosphere. This is where meteoroids burns when entering the atmosphere. Thermosphere. Extremely high temperatures occurs here. It contains ionospheres which reflects radio waves and produce auroras. Due to this layer, satellite communications is possible. Last but not least, exosphere. This is the outermost layers. It merges with space. Many weathers and communication satellites orbits in this region. Thank you.
This is the layer of the Earth. The Earth is divided into 3 layers: crust, mantle, and core. The uppermost is the core, and the uppermost is the crust, and the middle is the mantle, and the lowermost is the core. For For the first one, the crust, it is 1% of the Earth's total volume, and it is the outermost rocky shell. It is the only layer that supports life, and we can also find many gold and silver in this layer, as well as any other metals. For the second one, the mantle, it is 84% of the Earth's total volume, and seismic or volcano waves happens in mantle. It is solid as well as semi-solid, and magma that fuels volcano happens in mantle. For the last one, the core, the inner core is 5,500 degrees Celsius, which is as roughly hot as the surface of the sun. And the outer core is entirely liquid molten, gas, and the inner core is as big as 70% of the moon. It is very large. Thank you.
Hei layer of the atmosphere niya kovel hi layer prathama in chenchang ni in chungte chu crust mantle le core ten ni ama sabera hian crust ania crust hi a chungbera aoma crust chunga chuan mihring le thilnung tinreng te anom theya thilnung dang bacteria le fungi te po anom theya earth layer a chuan thilnung om theina chun ani kovel pumpui za a chena hun khachi a owa silver te gold te layer om na ni bok then hei mental ania mental hi layer ho lai taka oma achung hi akhalin akhalawa anem dein om ve a magma tlang kak siam tu ani bok diamond om na layer ani kovel pumpui za 84% la hi a owa layer lian ber ani tin hemil te pan hi core ania core hi layer saber ni in 5,500 degree la sa ni in mithiam te chuan ni leilung satna ne na in angdeu thonin an soya core hi layer lian tak mai ni in thla ne na in tia chep ni an soi ani.
The fundamental rights was established on 26 January 1950 when the Constitution of India was forced. The fundamental rights are basic rights that provide our freedom, equality, and dignity. The first one we have is the right to equality. It means that every person in India are equal before the law. It also means that no schools and jobs cannot refuse a person's admission just because of their race, caste, religion, or gender. The second one is the right to freedom. It means that every citizen of India have the right to travel throughout India and choose their profession and jobs. The third one we have is right against exploitation. It prohibits human trafficking, forced labor, and children below 14 years old cannot be employed in a dangerous job which may cause their mental thinking and may cause death to their life. The fourth one we have here is right to freedom of religion. It means that all citizens of India have the right to practice and spread their religion throughout India without any fear or criticism, as the government treats all religion equally.
What we have here is afforestation and deforestation.
Let's start off with deforestation. The cutting down of trees and forests. Cutting down of trees and forests causing loss of wildlife and environmental problems is called deforestation.
Planting trees to create forest and improve the environment is known as afforestation.
Deforestation chu kan thing le mau de kan ti cherewa kan achunga ran sa om de kan thaje hianin ram leilung chana te kholum lu tuk te alo siam thia chu deforestation ani.
Kan borak chhelutuk venana thingle mau kan phun hian hi kan borak te alo chat pha china hi afforestation anti.
This is recycle, reuse, and reduce things. As we can know from the name, we have to reduce and reuse things and reduce them. And if we do that, we will get a better world and our air will not be polluted. polluted and we will get clean water. Hey, recycle, reuse, reduce ania. Til kan man to nu kan man non le na chang kan sha te hi acha bollo te hi pai me lawa bollo bo ma pai te hi acha chu ti chuanin khovel thazok te kan lo nei thenga kan lui tui te hi alo thiang hlim so tanga chuanin borak te hi alo thiang hlim don ani kalome.
Hey, he water cycle ania. Water cycle is the process by which water cycle is the continuous movement of water on earth. There is transpiration. Transpiration is the process by which plants release water as water vapor. There is evaporation. Evaporation is the process by which liquid water evaporates into water vapor due to heat. There is also condensation. Condensation is the process by which water vapor turns into tiny water droplets forming clouds. There is infiltration. Infiltration is the process by which water on the ground surface soaks into the soil and moves downwards.
Good afternoon. My name is Silen Minglua. I am a student of class 7. It is a pleasure to welcome you on this special Parents' Day. We hope you find it interesting and enjoyable. Thank you. Now let us begin our presentation. These are the Prime Ministers of India who have led the country through different years and helped in its growth and development. Now we will learn about each Prime Minister and the years in which they served India. The first Prime Minister of India was Jawaharlal Nehru, who ruled in 1947 to 1964 and helped build a modern India. The second Prime Minister of India was Gujarilal Nanda, who served as acting prime minister in 1964 and 1966 and was known for his honesty. The third Prime Minister of India was Lal Bahadur Shastri, who ruled from 1964 to 1966 and gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. The fourth Prime Minister of India was Indira Gandhi, who served from 1966 to 1977 and again from 1980 to 1984 as the first woman Prime Minister. The fifth Prime Minister of India was Morarji Desai, who ruled from 1977 to 1979 and was the first non-Congress Prime Minister. The sixth Prime Minister of India was Charan Singh, who served from 1979 to 1980 and focused on farmers and agriculture. The seventh Prime Minister of India was Rajiv Gandhi, who ruled from 1984 to 1989 and promoted technology in India. The eighth Prime Minister of India was VP Singh, who served from 1989 to 1990 and worked against corruption. The ninth Prime Minister of India was Chandrasekhar, who served from 1990 to 1991 during a difficult period. The 10th Prime Minister of India was P.V. Narasimha Rao, who served from 1991 to 1996 and again 1996 and introduced economic reforms. The 11th Prime Minister of India was Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who served in 1996 and again from 1998 to 2004 and improved roads and foreign policies. The 12th Prime Minister of India was H.D. Deve Gowda, who served from 1996 to 1997 and focused on rural development. The 13th Prime Minister of India was R.K. Gujral, who ruled from 1997 to 1998 and was known for peaceful foreign policies. The 14th Prime Minister of India was Manmohan Singh, who served from 2004 to 2014 and help India's economy grow. The 15th Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi, who has served since 2014 and focuses on development and Digital India program. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Rinketanamte. This is my model of internal organs. This is a heart. It pumps the blood. This is a lung. It helps us breathe air. This is the liver. It cleans the blood. This is the stomach. It stores the food. This is the pancreas. It produces the digestive juice. This is the large intestine. It protects us from bad germs. This is the small intestine. It helps us digest food.
Hello, my name is Clara Filatongtu. This is our model on seed germination. It is a process by which a seed grows into a new plant. First, the seed takes in water and the root grows down. Second, the root or radicle comes out. Third, the shoot or plumule grows up towards the sunlight. Finally, the leaves appear and a plant is formed. A seed needs water, air, and warmth to germinate. Thank you. Hi, my name is Jason Monson from New Zealand. Today we are going to show you a pendulum toy. There are two ways which help in pulling the stickman up with the help of the center of gravity. The weight has to be below the pivot so it can stand up. Thank you. Hello, my name is Benjamin at class 6. We are here to show you how light reflects on a surface to the eye. Light comes from a light source, reflects on a surface and to our eyes. Si baile kaming chu Matthew ania class 6 zilai mekani heta hian englo chhuana light source chu achunga laptop hi ania anoya dar thlang hian hi aron in reflects to chinani. Hello, my name is Bibiana of class 6. Here we are here to show the powers of magnet. Magnets have two poles, north and south pole. Like poles repels and unlike poles attract. Hi, my name is Veronica from class 5. We can use magnet attraction to make these wonderful toys, like this floating cross, UFO, and this floating stickman.
Hello, my name is Christy and I am the student of class 8. And the game in front of me is called the bus wire game. And here you can see that there's we have to try not to complete the circuit, and if you can complete this game, you will get a prize. Thank you.
Hello, my name is James Laramdina. I'm class 8. This is turmeric paper and this is soap. If we put the turmeric paper in the soap, and it turned red.
Hello, my name is Sileno. I'm in class 8. Well, this is turmeric paper, and if we dip this into acid water, it will turn into yellow. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Mel Samsung at class 5. We are here to show you how to recycle paper. We first soak paper in water. After we grind the wet paper, we put it in a bucket of water.
Hello, my name is Lauren Puya to our class 5. We then use a sieve to collect the grinded paper, and then we dry them using a hair blower. You can also dry them in the sun. Then you gently pull the paper out. Hi, my name is Javala Penglue. So I'm gonna explain about spring and rain here. This is spring. It comes after winter and before summer. It's not too cold like winter, not too hot like summer. This is rainy. Rainy season is also called monsoon. It comes after summer and before autumn, winter. In India, rainy time
of June, July, August, September.
Hi, my name is Ladon Boy and I will be presenting about winter and summer. Winter is the coldest season of the year. It comes after autumn and before spring. This is summer. Summer is the hottest season of the year. It comes after autumn and before monsoon, rainy days. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Lalwat Sangi Kholching. This is a hut house. A hut house is a small, simple house and made from natural things like grass, bamboos, leaves, and wood. Thank you.
My name is Imberla Pekri and I study in class 4. This is an igloo. An igloo is a house made of snow. It is also called a snow house. The Inuit people live in igloos. Igloos are mostly found in places like Arctic, Alaska, Canada, Greenland. When the sun melts them in summer, the Inuit people move to tents made of animal skin. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Pisera Peglui. I study in class 4. And this is a tent house. It is made from cloth, canvas or animal skin. It is very easy to handle for campers and soldiers because we fold it and take it anywhere. Thank you.
My name is Vel Shwekongi and I'm studying from class 4. This is the model of boat house. This is the boat house. This is a boat house. It flows from water. Fishermen live in the boat house. Thank you.
My name is Elizabeth Lalui. I study in class 4. This is a mud house. A mud house is made from soil, clay, water, straw, and cow dung. It is also called a kucha house. People in village and hot places like Rajasthan, Africa, and rural areas live in mud house. Thank you.
Kini hi mizo department kan niya ke hian heng hui ka silfi don seu ni hei darbu ania mi ho sa te ho inan nei chi nan ni chuan hei tang ka chi ania mi ho sa te ho inan ho sak na ti lan chuanan an or chin hei pingpi ania nula te ho inan or chin hei china hei po hi nula te ho inan or chin hei fei tlangwal te ho in do nanan man chin ani hei chival chuan hei poi darbu hei lai mi poi darbu tho ani
Hei hair oat ania, chuan hei la saina ania, chuan hei hi mui ania, chuan hei din lei antia la din po anti thawa, chuan hei la zarban ania, chuan hei hi puan let pu anta suvel ania hei hi, chuan hemi hi puan ta lai ania, chuan hei mizo sai ro kherania, chuan hei sai hlumania, chuan hemi hi ralulak chemania man la chuan lulak na la mang china, chuan hemi hi seki ania mizo remote khat, chuan hemi hi siap swapania mizo mei se thuam nei masak berania shui kha ma changa siamania, chuan hei hi nokhalania mizo mi patham nei masak ber
heng ho hi man lai mizo pi le pu te puan chi sang sang ania ama sabera chuan hei hi tol lo puan ania, chuan puan ro pui hei hi khyang ko ip te ania, chuan hei hi len buang chwam ania, chuan hei hi kop pui zik zial chuat pui, chuan hei hi len buang chwam dang chi ania, hei hi ral te puan kop ania malaya chuanin a thenin an sin a thenin mutbu atian mang thin ani, chuan hei mi te pahnih hi puan ze ania kan principal ta ve nge ania, chuan hei hi disul
puan chei ania chuan hi arsi par ania pondum no te kher ania chuan hemete pani puan ro pui tho ani
hi puan bu ania malaya meichia ina puan an ta na nia chan ama sabera chan hei kong von ania chan hei tai na man nia chan hei them bu pui hei sa thaw ania hei them chang ania chan hei puan tang hei them tleng ania hei tukrek
hei ngong kol ania mizo mi paten iman fortuna ania chuan hei dar khuang ania dar khuang hi man lai chuan an ho sak jet te na ania man lai nei pa chuan ho sa em ani chuan hei ar bo mania hei tai chuan ar an loi china chuan to ber hei thul ania hei man lai chuan an nei tha te le an thom no te an da china ni